back out in the barn tonight. It's just me and Evan out here tonight. We're doing some more work on his truck. We're going to be doing a hood stack tonight, and it's going to be awesome. Very excited about it. We'll probably be reusing a lot of the pipe that's already on the truck, kind of like how I did my Ford. We'll just use what we got and try to make something cool out of it. This one should be fairly easy. The turbo is super accessible off to the side, in the middle kinda, so it should be easy enough. It's gonna be a lot easier than my Ford, so let's do it. Ooh, 2 mouse nests. Alright, so right now Evan has a stack in the back of his truck. We'll probably reuse some of this tip for the hood stack. And what's awesome about this stack is when he got this truck, it had a different pipe over here, but it had a stack when he bought it. This is one of the 2 stacks that I had. They've been around forever, floating around on, I think this is probably the 4th truck they've been on. I had 2 of these on 3 of my trucks, and then when Evan got this truck, we kind of cut this one to a different shape and put it on, and needless to say, it's been around for a long time, and we're gonna reuse it again. So this will be the 5th time that this pipe has moved, and I think that is just, that's what we're all about. That makes me excited. Got the downpipe that came out of the truck, and the flange for the turbo here, we ended up recutting it off and bringing it a little bit closer to this bend, just to try to bring the pipe a little bit further away from the windshield and the edge of the hood. And it looks like someone else had already re-welded that on first before us, so it's nothing new to this pipe to have that moved again. So hopefully that lines up where we want it. We're gonna mount this to the turbo now, and we'll see what it looks like. So Evan bolted the pipe to the turbo, and he notched the hood here. So our next step's gonna be drilling a hole. Look at that.
That's not circular right there. Look at that's flat. If it was circular.
the hood stack is done, and I think it turned out good. What do you think?
I'm excited about it. I think it's pretty cool that we get to reuse that stack that's been around for so long. So.
Yep, we reused his exhaust pipe to make the under the hood pipe. Reused the stack that was in the back of the truck. The legend of this stack lives on for another use, more years to come. And it's big, but I think it looks good.
A little gaudy, a little big for the application, but I think it turned out pretty nice.
So hood stack's done. One more check mark off the list for this truck. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks for watching.